All right, guys, so I finally made it to my next destination, which is dun, 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 Everglades National Park. Came from Orlando all the way down here. It's a 4-hour trip, but it's raining, as you can see, and hopefully it kind of stops a little bit because I'm camping out here. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this turns out and start praying. That's what I'm doing, because this rain is a little bit it's been sketchy in Florida. Every day's been raining, but it didn't stop, so let's find out. Tree islands. Like plants, the scattered clumps of darker vegetation harbor world dramatically different from the surrounding river of the sawgrass. The biggest tree island are hammocks. There, large mammals like deer, bobcat feed and rest in dense shade of tropical hardwoods such as mahogany and gumbo limbo. I think I pronounced that right. The grasslands is like, the Everglades is like one layer, kind of, sort of. And the trees are kind of like the mountains here. That was in my car. Like, that's the bugs you're looking at here. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna stop at the visitor center. Of course, I'm gonna get my passport stamped. And then after that, we're gonna head out to the campground, but hopefully this thing's open. Let's find out. Look how massive it is. Let me make sure there's nothing on the lens. It is kind of raining, guys. Woo. And this is where I'm all the way at the edge of Flamingo campground. So, and there's got a visitor center too. So I want to see what their visitor center is like, but I have a funny feeling this one's maybe a little bit stockpiled up, because normally the other visitor centers I've been to in the other parks hasn't been quite stocked up because of where their location is. So look. It is massive. I'm gonna try to get to Biscayne. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. National Park. Trying to get there. Let's get that out. And we're stopped. Ah. once I'm done with the visitor center there. I'm just going to see if there's another one, because I just want to see if they can get some shirts I'm looking at. I'm kind of looking at some particular shirts I want to get. And I want to see at the other places if they do have them. If, however, the alligator I was looking for, it's actually kind of like a puppet. And she said it cost $60, like 59, whatever. But it's pretty much $60. So I'm debating if I want to get it, but I have a funny feeling I'm probably going to get it, but I have to see. So let's keep going to the campsite, or yeah, let's go to the campsite. Okay, so just to let you know, I'm driving right now. This is really bad, I shouldn't be doing this. But there's a lot of like big, huge crickets on the ground, and it's very, very hard. I don't want to hit them, but they're just everywhere on the road. I'm trying to avoid as many as I can, but this is getting hard. I don't like hitting, like running over stuff, but there's a lot of like these huge crickets on the actual road. And I'm like, I don't even know if I want to be trying to do some trails out here, because these things are huge. They're not some small little thing, they're huge. Oh God, I'm like trying to avoid as much as I can, but I don't know, man. I don't know, it's a different breed out here of animals. And they're big. They're big. Okay, there's nobody here at all. Wow, this is very strange. Now I made it to my campground at Flamingo Park, but to be honest with you, I'm a little bit concerned about the bugs. And these are not small little bugs, guys. These are big bugs. So if they are a little bit too big for me, I mean like huge bugs, then I'm probably going to might have to stay somewhere else. Might have to. It all depends. But there's a lot of big bugs out here, and I don't know about that. I really don't know about that. Now I'm going to check out the bathrooms and see how the facility is, because I'm telling you right now, the facilities are crap. Then I'm like, all right, I'm rolling out of here, because there's no point. You know, look at these grasshoppers. The grasshoppers are huge out here, to let you know. But I'm just a little worried about the bugs out here. Like, they are just look at it, they're just attacking me. Look. So I'm going to I'm going to go back in and go get some stuff and put them on me. But yeah, like you don't want to have no shorts out here. No short sleeves or long. Don't want to have none of that out here. Okay, you want to have long sleeves, long everything. But the bugs out here are really super bad. So this may be a short trip here. Like I said, I want to come down to the Everglades, but there's certain things I just can't do, and that's bugs. Like big bugs. I mean, like I can do some small things, but oh my God, they're like attacking me out here. So I might have to, look, you can't even do anything. Oh my God. These bugs are like attacking out here, so I may not stay here. I think it's the reason why people don't stay out here, because the bugs are ridiculous. But I'm gonna put some bug spray on. Oh God. Oh, like these bugs are out here crazy. Oh God. This may be a short trip. This is going to be a short trip, guys. Yeah, this is a short trip. I'm not going to stay here because there's too many bugs. And these bugs are like really super attacky. I had to spray this all around on me. But these bugs are like everywhere. So I don't think I'm going to be staying here at all. I was like, you can kind of realize it at the first. But the answer is not. I'm not staying here. I'm going to probably get a hotel somewhere close up and just hang out there for like 3 days, and then kind of come back and forth in here. But I don't think I want to stay here because of the bugs. Bugs don't kill me. Look at the ocean, guys. That's the Atlantic Ocean out there. We're at the end cap, so. About this campground food. I said, yeah, there's a lot of bugs out here that kill you. Now, I don't know if you can go up here. Now, I don't know if you can, but because I don't know, like this part right here is kind of closed off to you. And I don't know if you want to step in this, because you step in that, God knows like how deep that will go. Kind of far as you can go. There's only a few people out here to visit the Everglades. Like it's kind of weird. But I can understand why, because it's not like as glamorous as like mountaintops and stuff like that. So, you know, not a lot of people come for the Everglades, like I'm assuming right now, especially around this time. But I think because it's a lot of bugs out here, there's in there water, a lot of water, and people can't do that. Now, if you want to come out here, I recommend having a fish net around your head. So the mosquitoes can like stay away from you. Like I got bit up like a lot in just like a couple seconds. So that's why I'm not staying here. I mean, it'll be $95, you know, down the drain, but it's, you know, I'm not getting bit up out here, and like I'll be dead. I would be dead. So, but that's beautiful right there. So I'm gonna get as much as I can from the Everglades. But like I still have my jacket. Like I'm hot right now, but I still have my jacket on. Like because it's just that bad. And I highly recommend not having your windows. Look at that guy. I highly recommend not having your windows down at all during this period of time. Because mosquitoes can get into your car. But look at these guys. I have no idea what they are, but they've been riding along with me. Look what blessed us. Oh no, come back. Okay, I only got a couple minutes to record before these bugs come in. Look at the vultures out here. They're beautiful. Now this is called the 9 Mile Pond. And this is a kind of another canoe trail that you can do here. Come here. And like I said, make sure you got the bug spray on, because it is very, very insects are wild out here, but look at them. They're beautiful. Vultures, yeah, they're beautiful vultures. You have the bugs out here. They don't care. I got like all this sun, you know, stuff on me, but they don't care. These bugs out here do not care. Okay, so apparently that's supposed to be Hell's Bay Canoe Trail. What? So you're supposed to pretty much get out and get on a canoe and wow. Now I thought my little kayaking thing was a little interesting, but I think this one, like, you need harder stills, man. I'm sorry, this is no way that's going to happen. But I looked at that, I was like, wait, what is that called? But yeah, it's apparently that's Hell's Bay Canoe Trail, where you can get in your canoe and you can go off and then come back. But yeah, good luck with that one. I want to, why I got the time to show you. You see all this is burnt forest? I don't know if this was intentional or not. I know sometimes forest, like firefighters will come out and burn the forest to help with the vegetation to grow back faster, or to kill a certain like parasite or something. But I'm noticing that there's a lot of that going all along this way. So I don't know, like, why it's a lot. Like, it's going all the way through. And I saw some fires that were all the way up in the beginning when I first came in. I was like, well, what's all that about? And sometimes they will do it to for the regrowth of vegetation into the park. I know they do that in Yellowstone, so I'm thinking they did this out here, or an actual fire started. So that could be another option too. So I just thought that was really odd and weird when I was driving past this part. Now I would come out, but the bugs are don't like me out here. So so this is the only way I can show you guys. But there's nobody behind me, so I can do this. I wouldn't do this if there was somebody behind me. But there you go. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guy Adventures as I bring you guys more footage from my Florida trip coming to you guys on the channel. So subscribe, and I will see you guys later.